Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Jamie from the blog LuxPetite, and today I have a spring unboxing. I'm so excited to bring you guys a couple spring goodies. I have 2 items from Gucci and 1 from Chanel, so let's get started. I'm going to start with a Gucci item here, and here we have, it's the Gucci Marmont T-strap sandal. I love the gorgeous leather and the antique gold hardware. I thought it'd be just the perfect sandal for spring, summer with all my casual outfits. So cute. And I did pick up a 7.5 in these sandals. That's my true to size. My second item is the Gucci box as well. And here we have a little bit more of a dressier one, and this is also a Gucci Marmont sandal, but in the black heel version. I just love this because you can kind of dress it up with the black heel, but it still kind of has that casual vibe that you could easily dress down with denim. Another great thing for spring and summer. I just love Gucci sandals. This is also 7.5. I did pick these out. So cute. I just love them. Perfect. So now the Chanel item. So this item came about because I was in Sonoma and I was really looking for something that I could put in my tote that's easy to travel with and you can take to dinner. So this is the reason this whole bag came about. But I should tell you, it is not on my wish list, but as you guys know with Chanel items, when you have some of these seasonal beautiful colors, you just have to go with it. And this, my friends, is the Chanel 19S color, the iridescent, beautiful beige. I am obsessed, in love. Again, the color is amazing and it doesn't do it justice. So excited, it's really breathtaking. Love, love, love. I am so excited and I cannot wait to start using it, especially in our travels. We have another wine country trip coming up in the summer, and this will definitely be a bag I will be wearing a lot. And you'll see that on my Instagram, me and my wine country outfits. So, yeah, beautiful. Okay guys, well that's it for my spring unboxings. I hope you love them. Let me know what you think in the comments below and be sure to subscribe. And I will talk to you guys later. Take care.